How you doing? My name is Alicia, and I was coming on here letting y'all know about the Build-A-Bear bed. I had bought a Build-A-Bear, and um, I'll show you a little later how the Build-A-Bear look. But I just went to Dollar Tree and got Dollar Tree items and started building this bed. Um, right here is one of them long trays they have at Dollar Tree. They have three little slits in it, and I'm get a little closer so you can see that. Okay, so if you can see in the inside of here, the long tray got one, two, three in there, and it had a top to go over it. And I start putting beads and different things, crystals in there that I liked it. Now, this to her, I used a chopping mat at Dollar Tree to cut out two sections to put on these because I didn't have two lids for this. I think I use about between 8 to 10. Depends on what kind of size bed you're trying to get. So I kind of wanted one like this. Okay. So that's the front of it. And I use them, I kind of want to explain some of the items I use. This is the second video. I did a first one, and then I was looking at it, and I kind of wanted to put some more embellishes on it. So you can find these at the Dollar Tree too. They just the ribbons in the ribbon section at the Dollar Tree. Basically, I want to be able to see the rhinestones and different things in there. And on the first video, I had clear legs. I decided I wanted purple because this bed is kind of like a rainbow bed. Ooh. Okay. This the front of it. This the side of it. And I went to Amazon. I got the kind of like material rainbow, sort of like rainbow. Um, this bed right here was probably under $14, 14 maybe give or take, and it was really fun to make. And because I love the Build-A-Bear, this to look at it. I'm thinking about collecting them, but I'm not for sure. But I just want you to see more in details of it. And let me see, I'm trying to make sure I got a good picture. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the burr. Just the burr here. Okay. I went online and got, like the Build-A-Bear pillow and different things like that. Last year, I bought a bed from Build-A-Bear. Stick this in here. It's a chair in a bed. It was a bit too long, and I want to make sure that the space I have it in wasn't taking up a whole lot of space. But they bed is I forgot what I paid for it, but I know it's anywhere from $30 to $40, something like that. So it'd be much cheaper if you can just make your own Build-A-Bear. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Have a good day.